Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to show you what is the initial RAM and storage availability after unboxing the Realme GT Neo 3T device. Right now, as you can see, this is a Realme GT Neo 3T device which I got right now in this video, and my variant is of 8GB RAM version which I'm trying to use. And let's find out, friends, what is the RAM availability and what is the internal storage availability as well in this video. That's what let's discuss in this video. And this is a 256GB storage variant which I do right now in this as you can see, for the demonstration purpose. And you can clearly see how much storage it has been utilized and how much space we got. As you can see, 23.3 GB of 250 GB is used. So after the box, 23 GB is used, and 3 GB you can consider as RAM expansion. So RAM expansion is also enabled. So that's the 3 GB is enabled, as you can see. So 23 minus 3, so it will be 20 GB of storage is utilized by default after unboxing. And even in the application section also, it's consuming close to 4 GB. So if you want, you can definitely uninstall some of the applications if you don't like them. As you can see, that's also possible. But out of the box, this is a scenario in the Realme GT Neo 3T regarding the internal storage of 256 GB version which I'm trying to talk about. And right now, out of 8 GB, you can see, friends, 4.28 GB is free. So without installing any application, nothing at all, this is what the RAM management right now it is looking in the 8 GB RAM version. 4.27 GB, as you can clearly see. And now let me go to the storage and disable this RAM expansion, and let me turn on the restart the device, and let's see after restarting the device what will be the overall internal storage availability in this device. That's what we will try to find out in this video. Right now I'm trying to restart the device, and let's check after restarting whether the internal storage will change or not. I mean, right now I did disable the RAM expansion, right? So now you might get the clarity what's going on in the Realme GT Neo 3T device. Let's find out in this video. Right now the phone did restart and all the apps are completely clear, and you can clearly see 4.80 GB available did show in the beginning, but right now it's showing about 4.67 GB, 4.68 GB, something like that. 4.48, as you can see, 4.82 GB. So let's go to the settings and go to the system settings. There should be process manager, and let's do the deep clean and then check. Still showing 4.6263. So this is a quick information, friends, regarding the RAM availability in the Realme GT Neo 3T after unboxing the device. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and